Drowning waterfalls. Look at that. So people,
Look at that.
look at that lock.
Look at that.
Look at that lock. Look at that lock.
Oh.
Just look. Today's episode. How do you do, interwebers, and welcome to Stories of My Life. In today's episode, remember 2 days ago, Thursday, I ordered some things from H&M. Well, I just got a text on my phone that they're here. I have to collect them at the coop. So I'm going to go to the coop, the co-op, the konsum, the store closest to where I am. Not where I usually collect my stuff. I don't know why it's there. Anyway, after that, at 1 o'clock, I'm leaving my apartment at 1 o'clock, and then I'm meeting Magnus, and we are going to go for a walk. And then, who knows? The sun is shining like mad, and I'm wearing shorts. I'm going to try wearing shorts, and if it's too cold, I won't be wearing shorts when I go out with Magnus. Join me. Also, people, let's check out how the lilacs are doing. Some song about the lilacs. There should be one, I know. There's a song, but I can't remember it right now. I'm such a composer. Yes, I am. So people, note this day in your calendar. It's the first time in 2021 that I'm wearing shorts in public. Yes, it is really a day for celebration. Oh, God. Oh. By the way, people, welcome to my neck of the woods. This is the co-op, or coop as we say. Okay, people, I didn't get a box, I got a bag. Fascinating. My life is intriguing, at the very least. Hopefully I don't damage anything. Oh. 2 dungarees and fantastic slipper. I mean, people, come on. Aren't these, well, at least interesting? I mean, people, come on. Loveliness, right? Good. By the way, people, the today's vegan lunch is that boxty and that smoked tofu I made this week, I guess. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? No. Hey, people, as they say, it's time to get cracking. This guy, and he's wearing shorts. Have you no shame? No. How are the spots?
But they're better.
Yeah?
It's still itchy, but yeah, they're totally. I mean, it's almost like some of them you don't even see now. You see more here.
Yeah, and I can see sort of where you itch them, so they're sort of.
Yeah.
I hope it's not contagious.
Well, but try to rub them and see.
Oh God, no. Okay, people. So you can see here, people are holding on to because. Oh yes, it's closing. Can you see? The stuff out there, yes. Yes, Magnus, yes.
It's not just ports, it's like the whole wall is going inside. Like a strong wall.
Yes. So hopefully, are they going to fill it up with water, or are they going to leak out? What do you think? This
they're kind of already very high up, don't you think? If compared to the pier.
Yes, so you can't really, they can't really go
much further up.
No,
right?
no.
You could though.
Yes, you could. Yes, you could.
I mean, you could go all the way up to the ground, but
Say it again.
Slush. Don't build your own slush.
Don't try this at home, people. It might be dangerous. So here we go. Oh, aren't they going to close it? Damn it. Yeah, so the last part goes really slowly. Yes, people, it's a lock. Very exciting. Things are happening in Stockholm. All over the world is watching.
They missed it.
And the boat missed it. Ha ha ha, says I. Should be on time. So people, I don't know if you can see, but the water they're letting out this water, and you can see it's not quite sort of leaking there, so the water keeps leaking in, but the boat goes quite fast. The bridge we'd be standing on, we'd suddenly got this call, the bridge is opening, so we have to get off it. And these, I guess, are going down, and this whole bridge is opening. Oh. So people, this is as low as the water will go
Today.
Because this is the Lake Mälaren, and over here is the Östersjön, I guess. The archipelago. The Baltic Sea. Very exciting. Things are happening here. You're surprised?
I'm very surprised because I found the name of Östersjön in English.
Yes.
I never do those things. I can't. No, like this.
So what's the name of the Östersjön?
Baltic Sea.
Very good. I thought you had forgotten it. Look. If you drive really fast, you can sort of jump over it. People, this here, if you can see, the mast here, I think is the reason we are opening here. You said something about Lego.
Well, you see this kind of parts like the asphalt, like the road here. It sort of like fits together like your Lego pieces.
Someone is a little bit obsessed.
Well, yes.
People, can you see the mast head? And on the other side, you can see the boats that are waiting to go into the lock. And over there are the boats that goes into the Baltic Sea. And now people, they are letting the boats from the Baltic Sea into the lock. And we are going to wait for the lock to open. Oh. Excitement. People are jogging or just walking very briskly.
It looks like a lot of people in Stockholm now.
Yes.
If you look at this, but there are very much a lot of people outside walking. Since COVID, it's been much more.
Yes.
Than it used to be.
People don't go on the subway. They don't go on the buses.
So in a way, that's better for the health
Yes.
department.
In every way.
In every way.
Yeah. For the air, for the COVID, for their own
Yeah,
sake.
it depends on the breath though.
Yes.
If they have bad breath, it's not good for them.
Yes, and all the farting going on.
Yeah.
People, the lock is opening. I repeat, the lock is opening. The water is gushing through. The water is gushing, and there's an alarm going on. Off. Look. That would be kind of fun to stand there, just getting swept away.
We'll go to a waterfall.
Don't go drowning in waterfalls. Look at that. So people,
Look at that.
look at that lock.
Look at that.
Look at that lock. Look at that lock.
Oh,
Just look at
that
it.
lock.
Just look at it.
You're full of musical songs.
So I think we've done here. I mean, what's going to happen, do you think? Are the boats going to leave the docks?
Now,
It's opening now. And who will be the first one out, do you think?
the first one.
The first one will be the first one out? Good. So, we'll continue our walk and
No.
our talk. No.
Now we're going to stand here now. It's
Yes.
a punishment.
Punishment.
We're going to wait for another one.
Oh my god. And there's one of those very irritating...
I'm joking, we're going.
We're going, okay, so...
I hope that's not...
Well, we have seen the rain has created a lot of these in the road. So Magnus is now going to jump one.
Jump?
Jump!
Honey, I don't jump.
Just... Oh my god. Well, I will jump then. Oh, yes, I did. Magnus has found a fence in the woods. Is it? Oh, it's a real fence.
It's iron.
Oh my god, it's an iron fence. But why?
It's like going in a semicircle. I was wondering if it leads to something, you know, like, oh, we have to go and fetch the food in our cellar
Yes?
outside, but I can't really...
We'll go there and then come back.
Oh, it feels like it's going quite far.
Oh,
It's like over there.
no.
Or should we?
Yeah, I think we have to. God damn it. Oh, I know what it is. This is something because there's an opening here. So people don't fall down into this sort of abyss. It's funny, I didn't see. Oh,
From the road.
okay. So, so the reason this iron fence is here is so that you don't fall into that abyss. But let's not this stop us. Just jump over and let's go there and see what happens. No, we have to go round. No, well, we have to go back and look at it from the other side,
Yeah,
right?
so maybe we can go down.
Yes, leads
Into the woods.
into the woods and dumpy-do. And this is it are blåbärstrees. Is this blueberry? Oh, what is this?
How the fuck should I know?
Well, you said you like walking in the woods. This is the first thing you learn.
No.
How to survive if you sort of fall down and sort of, what do I have to eat? How do I get food?
Well, I just
Whereas there's,
asked a deer.
who can do CPR?
You ask a deer
Doe? A deer? A female deer?
or a boy.
Boy, road and sun.
Who's the boy?
Who's that boy? No.
Oh, da.
What?
A boy like that.
Go
He's
come to
okay.
the bed. Take the bed. Oh God. This is singing West Side Story while tumbling down the hillside. Tumbling down. Come tumbling down. Yes?
Tumbling.
Now we lost it.
And look, behold.
The hole. Where the fuck is it? Richard Attenborough now.
Well, when you come to the forest like that, and you see all the spices, no, the species, and you wonder to yourself, where can I go? Well, if you look around and the spiritual looks right behind you, you suddenly can see a crack. Let's go inside here.
Let's go into the crack.
Oh, and suddenly you see a door, maybe.
Oh.
And it's wet. Oh, it's a marvelous thing to sort of be in the nature.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
No, I think you might get sucked down.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is here. You are in the
It's the end of the road.
end of the road. So, but then you can sort of look.
Sir Richard, I think this might be dangerous. Sir Richard,
Yes,
come
if you
back.
go further, you can be sucked down. But look at the door.
Oh, yes.
So this could actually be one of the forgotten.
Doors to the Viking land.
Yes. To Game of Thrones.
Oh,
You never know.
you never know.
And now this.
So this looks almost like a fault line. Look at that. So put a foot in it to show us just how deep it is. It's really dangerous. And not sort of fall. Oh, no. He's in one of his moods. So people, if you come to Sweden, really look out, because these are really dangerous. People have died before because they will close up.
It seems like they're everywhere.
Yes, well they are.
Just here, but not in the whole of Stockholm.
In the whole of Sweden. They're sort of like really dangerous.
If you come to Stockholm, look out for these because you can fall into them.
You can come here. So show me. Wait, in the next clip. So now show me happy tourists, and then the happy tourists fall down. I'm chasing him now. He's trying to get away into the woods. Happy tourist walking. Happy tourist thinks nothing can happen here. And then the happy tourist just falls down. No. Damn it. Oh, where are we going?
No, I just wanted to... There was a path here.
Yes.
But then it could actually continue all the way down. I thought it was just to this amazing sightseeing spot, viewpoint, but it was
yes.
no view.
it's fantastical. Oh, that's a jetty.
There's a bridge.
So look at this nice view, people. The Swedes are out and about. Sir Richard Attenborough, can you say something about Swedes and woods and sun and spring?
The sun comes out
The
in
spring.
the spring.
You'd have to be.
Yes.
I said Sir Richard Attenborough.
I already forgotten. Well, here he is. Well, the spring in Sweden. That brings out the sun.
Thank you, Sir Richard.
Yeah.
We found another dungan.
Yes, here in the Årsta Heights.
We'll go there then.
No. Should we?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. We definitely
Take
need.
another step. Take you.
You're losing your sort of. Sir Richard, it's like you're someone else sometimes. So
Well, that's because I've been living for very long. Now we can see if we can get into this. Oh, sometimes there's water around.
yes. So we are now looking up the ass of Richard Attenborough.
And what a sight that.
What a sight that is. Oh. And there's this is like we're in the Amazon River.
And as you can see, there's water here as well. But there's also a door here.
Is that a lock, do you think?
I think it is a lock. I won't go.
What?
Anacondas and electricity.
Oh, there can be anacondas and electricity in this water.
In the shape of electric eel.
Yes.
Yes.
So people, if you're tourists, don't go here because it's really dangerous.
With a lot of water, with a lot of doors and a lot of running in the streets.
Yes. So let's
på engelska?
riverbed.
Vilket fint.
Thank you.
Något så fint.
Oh, talk among yourselves. God.
Well, here we are.
So I'm gonna. Sir Richard Attenborough climbing down the hill. We'll climb down that way. Side. It's Maria from Trap. Down below. Well, the toilets in Sweden have running water. Here's proof. So people have been walking from over there, around, there, this way, and now here we are. Going that way, over that bridge, and over. So now people have gone that way, and now we're going to go up the stairs onto the bridge and over to Söder. People, we are now on the bridge. These are the boats that might have been in a dock. We're not sure. So they say that the corona numbers have dropped really enormously in Stockholm.
40%.
40%, and you hope it continues to, but looks kind of crowded. So people, we are now up. This is a hospital. I was here, not at the hospital, but with my son and Christian a couple of weeks ago. And look at this view. Damn it, look at the view. We walked by the lake all that way under that bridge up there and to here. So we are past 10,000 steps.
Jo, men man kan nog alltså såhär sätta bredbent kan man nog, eller...
You know, the hospital, and I think they're getting someone's coming down to this is a helicopter pad. So we are back where we started. So what have we done?
We've been walking around the Bay of Årsta. We took a little detour up in the tracks of so maybe 7 to 8 kilometers. And it's been a beautiful day and a lot of real nice viewpoints. And we also met Sir George Attenborough, Richard Attenborough.
Yes.
Thank you, goodbye. Vad konstigt att man...
No, I'm not gonna... Oh, I've got blurry. Blurry, as we say in Sweden. What happened here? Oh, better. So I'm not gonna wait for that thunderbolt. Yes! There will be a taste test. I will sort of get hamburgers all over my sofa. Burger. Me, burger. Christian?
Ja,
Känner du att du kan det här nu?
nu kan vi det här.
Säg det på engelska.
Now, now we know this.
People, I give you my phone. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family and lovers how fantastic I am, and tell them to watch me as well.